So tight. Hi everyone, this is Andy Nguyen. Welcome back to the channel, and I have another update for you today. This is going to be a recap video of my latest meetup. I put it under my personal brand called Millennial Up. So this is Millennial Up Keys, M-U-K, Muck, like the Pokemon. Before we even got to the venue, my house ended up becoming the unofficial build spot where everyone came through and met up before the event. And they were rebuilding, desoldering, soldering, doing all this stuff to the boards. And unfortunately, that's what I get for being the host. But once we got to the venue, this was at Gamecraft Brewery in Laguna Hills. It was a really cool venue. They gave us kind of like semi-private space. They turned down the music so we can actually hear our boards. People donated money and people donated raffle items. So we can do giveaways at the event. People brought all their favorite boards, budget to mid-end to high-end to end game. Even custom boards, even fake boards. It was a really good place for a beginner or even some of the guests that some of the members brought to experience boards for the first time and see what the hobby is really about. Or even if you're already in the hobby, you can try out and see other boards that perhaps you wouldn't get your hands on. So it was a cool event for all that attended. And of course, the boards are a cool aspect of it, but people go out of their way to go to these meetups because they want to connect with the people that they've been talking with online. I really enjoyed conversing with people. I only tried a few boards. Most of the time I spent was just hanging out with my friends. And that's the kind of vibe I try to create at these meetups. And it was also really cool when I asked people about their boards. Their eyes would light up as to how they customize it, what specs they did, and what they did to their switches. And it's just really heartwarming to see someone be so happy and so proud of something they've made. But overall, the event was really cool because people stayed a really long time. The event was scheduled from 12 to 4. We all bought tons of food, beer, all that. And we didn't even end up leaving, all of us, until 4:30 or so. That's more than I could ever ask for. Just people enjoying themselves and just talking about the things they love. Quick little shout out to San. He was actually at the brewery to hang out with his friend for their birthday. He had never met any of us, but he just came over, asked what it was, and he went all the way home.
I came here, saw the Gamer Meetup, and then I just drove to my house and I grabbed all my boards and brought them back here, yeah.
That's what's up! This is the meetup, just the leftovers, and it was pretty good. We got a turnout of like at least 22. And we did giveaways, we were talking about our boards, hanging out. And Ace got the air go. This guy has the DIY. You made this yourself, right?
I did make that myself, yeah.
And how long did it take? How many months?
About 8 months. From ideation to ordering, yeah, it took about 8 months.
Look how beautiful that is. Oh my God. One of one.
One of one, only one in the world.
I'll let the B-roll play. Please enjoy the footage of the event. Hopefully it gets you excited to try to attend one of these in the future. I will be opening it up to the public. If you want to get updates on that, join my new public Discord server, Andy Teaches Tech. The link will be in the description box below. Without further ado, let's see the rest of the footage. And that'll be it for me. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of content. Subscribe if you want to see more. Click the notification bell to not miss any updates. And I'll see you in the next one.